Ara mga mabris na. Utang bala sa bag ko. Bag ko. Ay, wait lang. Pasudang. Check mo mamang size mo.
Hey guys!
Hey
So,
guys.
we got matching bracelets.
We got matching
Ano ni gani? Permanent? What?
Permanent bracelets.
Ano,
Ang damo,
hindi-
may ka-permanent.
Hindi visible, pero...
Ay, kuha na bala.
Oo, pero siya sa dalom.
Ay, man ako. Ang sababaw.
Our first runner-up, they have a total of 4,000 points. And it is the College of Engineering. College of Engineering, please come up the stage for our this year's all-year Centralian Fest 2024 overall champion is from the College of Business. With a total of 4,020 Congratulations!
Oh my God!
Hi everyone, happy Monday. Time check, it's 7:22 p.m. and I'm still here in school. Actually guys, wala kaming face-to-face classes kanina kasi sinuspend ni Mayor kahapon. Pero nag-announce yung school namin na we're gonna have synchronous classes until tomorrow. So yeah, we only had online class kanina. Pero pumunta ako dito sa school kasi guys, hindi ko kaya yung inat sa DE. And I'm here sa engineering lobby. I'm currently doing our PowerPoint presentation para sa reporting namin sa RE on Friday. I'm actually almost done. Yeah, and ako lang mag-isa dito guys sa study area. Nandun yung mga classmates ni Heart. Gumagawa sila ng EDA nila na activity as well as their IED. So, yeah, I'm doing my own thing here as well. And, yeah, I'm just gonna finish this. Hi! Hi vlog! It's me! Ano ka? Ako sa video. Ano ka? Agay! Heart! I am done, you guys! I am finally done! Yes! Hey guys! Hi po! So, munang project Die Heart. Almost done. Mga pila na lang ka percent. 50. Ay, 50 pa lang siya galing. So, we're gonna go out. And we're gonna have dinner outside.
Say bye.
Bye!
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So, it's our first time to eat sa Crispy.
Let's try the chicken. Alam mo, ginulat.
Oo. No problem.
Oo, ako lang.
Okay man siya.
Muni siya guys, ang gapang humot. Sagwa. Hindi.
Let's eat here sometime.